Hello everyone, my name is Pablo Andres Puerta. This is my identification. These are some things I want to do on vacation. First, I am going to make the hotel reservation tonight. This week I am going to request my vacation. I am going to work hard to earn extra money this week. My wife wants usual to have new beach wear, so she will go this weekend to buy new dresses for the whole family. We will go to San Andres with my family in December. We will see the sea of seven colors from the plane. My daughter is going to get the video camera tomorrow. I will use my saving to buy the plane tickets, and I will swim in the sea. My daughters will run and play on the beach. They love the place. And my wife will sunbathe, lie on her colored towel on the sands. We will travel the entire isla in a rented car. Maybe we will go to the Morgan Cave. I will drink a crazy coconut, or maybe two. Then we will go to aquarium and swim with the fish. They are many colors. At night, we will have dinner, sometimes delicious, and we'll walk on the sun. Then the girls will go to bed, and my wife and I will go dancing, and then all of us will return to Bogota, and will be a spectacular experience. Thanks.